Take a moment. Think of one thing, just one, that made today a little easier. A voice you heard. A meal you didn't have to cook. A sky that didn't rain. That moment you just felt, that quiet recognition, is gratitude. And though it seems small, it's one of the most powerful states a human mind can experience. Gratitude doesn't just make you feel good. It rewires your brain, reshapes your perspective, and redefines what it means to live well. Today, we'll decode the psychology of gratitude, how it transforms the brain, calms the body, and restores peace in a world that constantly tells you to want more. 1. What gratitude really is. Gratitude isn't just saying, "Thank you." It's an emotional state, a recognition that something good has entered your life, often undeserved, unearned, or unexpected. Psychologically, it's the bridge between awareness and appreciation, the shift from what's missing to what's here. It's the realization that you are not alone in your blessings, that life, people, or even fate have played a part in your good fortune. Gratitude, at its core, is humility in motion. 2. The science of gratitude. Neuroscience shows that gratitude activates the prefrontal cortex, the same region associated with happiness, decision-making, and empathy. It also triggers the release of dopamine and serotonin, the brain's natural antidepressants. Even more fascinating, practicing gratitude consistently strengthens neural pathways that make positivity more automatic. In other words, gratitude changes not just how you feel today, but how your brain will process emotions tomorrow. You train your mind to look for what's right, not just what's wrong. 3. The negativity bias. Human beings evolved with a built-in negativity bias, a survival mechanism that made us remember danger more than safety. Your ancestors didn't need to recall the days they felt calm. They needed to remember where the tiger attacked. But in the modern world, this bias turns against us. We scroll, compare, and criticize, focusing on what's lacking, broken, or better elsewhere. Gratitude interrupts that loop. It rebalances your perception, reminding your mind that not everything needs fixing. Some things just need noticing. 4. The psychology of comparison. We often confuse success with gratitude, believing we'll feel thankful after we have more. But comparison is the enemy of appreciation. When you compare, your mind stops observing what you have and starts calculating what you don't. Gratitude reverses that equation. Instead of measuring your worth against others, you measure your blessings against time, remembering that everything you have today was once something you hoped for. Gratitude doesn't make you complacent. It makes you content enough to grow with peace instead of pressure. 5. The role of perspective. Gratitude is perspective therapy. It doesn't erase pain, it reframes it. When you face hardship, gratitude whispers, "This moment hurts, but it's teaching me." It shifts your focus from "why me" to "what now?" People who practice gratitude regularly show higher resilience in adversity because they see value in struggle. They understand that every scar is proof of survival, not defeat. Gratitude doesn't deny darkness, it remembers the light that still shines within it. 6. The ripple effect of gratitude. Gratitude is contagious. When you express it, you not only uplift yourself, you elevate the receiver. Studies from UC Davis found that when people express gratitude toward others, both parties experience a spike in oxytocin, the bonding hormone. That's why gratitude strengthens relationships. It creates a loop of appreciation, connection, and trust. It's one of the few emotions that multiplies when shared. 7. The gratitude, happiness link. Happiness isn't the cause of gratitude, it's the result of it. Most people believe they'll feel grateful when they're happy. But research shows it's the other way around. People become happier because they practice gratitude. Gratitude shifts the nervous system from sympathetic, fight or flight, to parasympathetic, rest and restore. Your heartbeat slows, your breath deepens, and your brain signals safety. Gratitude literally calms the body into peace. 8. The hidden power of daily gratitude. You don't need grand gestures. You need gentle awareness. Here's how gratitude transforms daily life. Morning. When you wake up, name one thing you're looking forward to. It sets a hopeful tone. During stress, when things go wrong, ask, "What's this moment still offering me?" Evening. Recall 3 good moments before bed. Your brain consolidates those memories while you sleep. Over time, this simple repetition changes your emotional baseline. You stop waiting for big miracles and start noticing small ones. 9. Gratitude and the subconscious mind. Your subconscious listens to what you repeat. When you constantly say, "I don't have enough," it believes you're in scarcity and acts accordingly, amplifying anxiety. But when you affirm gratitude, "I am supported, I have enough, life is still kind," your subconscious rewires toward abundance. You start living from sufficiency, not survival. Gratitude is how you speak abundance into existence. 10. Gratitude and mental health. Psychologists found that people who kept a gratitude journal for 30 days reported fewer symptoms of depression and anxiety, and higher life satisfaction even months later. That's because gratitude focuses attention outward, away from self-criticism and toward connection. It teaches the mind that peace isn't found in perfection, it's found in perspective. Gratitude doesn't ignore pain. It integrates it. It says, "This hurts, but I'm still thankful for what remains." 11. The spiritual side of gratitude. Every wisdom tradition, from Stoicism to Buddhism to modern mindfulness, echoes the same truth. Gratitude is enlightenment in daily form. The Stoics said, "He who does not thank for little will not thank for much." Gratitude humbles the ego. It dissolves entitlement. It opens space for grace. It reminds you that everything, even breath, is borrowed, and every moment is both fleeting and sacred. Gratitude turns life from a checklist into a blessing list. 12. How to practice gratitude authentically. True gratitude isn't forced positivity, it's honest recognition. Start small. Find gratitude in the ordinary: sunlight, clean water, your heartbeat. Be specific. Don't just say, "I'm grateful." Say why. Detail strengthens emotion. Write it down. Journaling anchors memory. Written gratitude feels real to the brain. Express it. Tell someone why you appreciate them. Say it while they can still hear it. Use adversity. Ask, "What is this teaching me that he's never could?" Gratitude is not pretending everything's fine. It's choosing to see what still is. 13. The deep truth about gratitude. Gratitude doesn't change the world around you. It changes the world within you. It doesn't make life easier. It makes it clearer. It doesn't erase struggle. It gives it meaning. The more you practice it, the less you need from life to feel whole. You realize that peace isn't waiting in the next achievement. It's breathing right beside you. Gratitude is awareness turned into joy. It's not happiness that makes you grateful. It's gratitude that makes you happy. So take a moment, right now, and thank something you usually overlook. The air you breathe. The strength you forget you have. The people who love you quietly. Because gratitude isn't an act, it's a way of seeing. And when you learn to see life through gratitude, you'll realize it's been beautiful all along. If this reflection warmed your heart or brought calm to your mind, give this video a like, subscribe to Mind Decode, and share a moment of gratitude in the comments. Because in the end, gratitude isn't something we practice for happiness. It's the happiness we practice.